I'll show you how you can build an online store on Wix for free. So on Wix, let's just go ahead and start. We can tap on this blue button to create a new site. Now, once we tap on this create new site, we can do a AI one, but I'm just going to do setup without chat. Now, on here, you can go ahead and go to online store here, right? So if you don't have it here, just search up online store like this, and then you should see it. Now on here, you can see there's a couple of things we can pick. So for example, if you're selling electronics, you can pick electronic store. If you're selling beauty supply, you can pick beauty supply store, but I'm just going to do general, and we're just going to do online store. I'm going to tap on continue next. Now on here, we're going to be preparing the dashboard here, right, for Wix. Now on here, we're going to have a dashboard now. Now on the dashboard, the website is basically up and running now, but we need to set up the store, right? So for example, the store, I'm going to call it example beauty store general, right? After that, we're going to tap on continue. Now we're going to do a questionnaire here. So I'm just going to say, no, I'm just starting out. I'm going to tap on continue. After that, what kind of products we're selling? I'm going to say physical and also drop shipping. I'm going to tap on continue. After that, I'm going to say online store, and I'm going to continue. And then we're going to be continuing to our dashboard now. Now, the last thing we need to set up now is the design of our website here, right? So I'm just going to tap on, scroll down. After that, you want to go ahead and go to design your website here. Press on that button earlier. And then on here, I'm just going to tap on pick a template. You can generate with AI if you like, but I do recommend a template because it's more human design and it's more integrated. Now on here, you can pick whichever template suits you best. I'm going to pick this one, backpack store. I'm going to tap on edit. Now, once I tap on edit, it's basically going to put it into our website, and this is what our website is going to turn into. Now, once here, you can see we're on the Wix website editor now. So let's just wait for this to load. Great. Once it loads, this is what you'll see. And now you have an online website or an online store up and running, ready to go.